Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Samina Akhter, assistant teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5 and our topic is question number 11, answering short questions. This is your lecture number 18 and from the annual term topic. Okay, so here you can see the question. I have written the question number 1. These are the questions based on some chart, and you have to answer them in five sentences. Okay, so see, here is an exam schedule of class 5. Write 5 sentences using days of the week when you will attend the exam. Saturday is the first day of the week. Write the sequence in ordinal numbers. Okay, so days of the week: second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, and subject of the exam: English, Bangla, Math, General Science, and Religion. So dear students, we have to answer this question with 5 sentences, writing the sequence of attending the exam. Okay, so here in this page you can see the first answer. On Sunday, as Sunday is the second day of the week and the English exam is on Sunday, we will write on Sunday I will attend English exam. On Monday I will attend Bangla exam. On Tuesday I will attend Math exam, and on Wednesday I will attend General Science exam. On Thursday I will attend Religion exam. Okay, so these are the sequence that you have to write in 5 sentences. So dear students, see the next question now. Okay, write 5 sentences about your birthday ceremony considering the following points. Okay, write the time in numbers and period sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. Okay, so on what date, there are some questions. See, on what date did you celebrate your birthday? When did the program begin? What did you do first? When was dinner served? And when did the program end? Okay, so answering these 5 questions, you have to answer this question number 2. So go to this page again. Number 2 answer. I celebrated my birthday on dash. You can write your own birthday here. Okay, suppose 10th January or 5 February. Okay, so like this you can write your own birthday. Then the next question was, when did the program begin? The program began at 7 p.m. Okay, see, you have to write the time in number. At first I cut the cake at 7:30 p.m. So here the question was, what did you do first? At first I cut the cake at 7:30 p.m. Then the next question was, when was dinner served? The dinner was served at 8 p.m. Okay, the dinner was served at 8 p.m. Then the last question was, when did the program end? Then the program ended at 9 p.m. Okay, the program ended at 9 p.m. So this is how you answer the question in sequence, and you have to write the time in numbers. Okay, and some ordinal numbers like first. Okay, so dear students, this is our lesson for today. I hope you will do it and practice it at home. So this is it for today. Thank you.